How to fix TikTok followers not showing up. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll go through the steps on how you can fix followers not showing on TikTok. Well, if you're having certain errors within the app, such as you are opening TikTok and heading over to your profile, but you're not being able to see the profile count, right, the followers count if you tap on followers, or it is not loading up, then it might just be the internet connection issue. You want to check that your internet connection is secure and stable. For that, you can check other apps and check if your internet connection is working good. Once you make sure that it's not the connection issue, then it is certainly a glitch within the app or the bug. Now to fix it, you can simply go ahead and either clear the cache of the application by heading over to settings, and under it you can head over to free up space and tap on clear cache. If this doesn't fix the issue, you can go ahead and check if the update is available and make sure you're updated to the latest version. This is how you can fix TikTok followers not showing up. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.